Hello everyone, I am Khushi Duggad from Adyan Softech, and in today's video I will tell you about the HR policies, the importance of HR policies and the types of HR policies. So let's start the video. First will be what is HR policy. HR policy is a set of clear and fair guidelines that a company establishes to tell its employees' behavior, expectations and interactions within the workplace. ये जो पॉलिसी है ये इसलिए भी बनाई जाती है टू मेक श्योर दैट एवरीवन इज ट्रीटेड फेयरली and to create a good and safe work environment. These policies are there to keep things running smoothly and fairly in the company. HR पॉलिसीज़ बहुत इसेंशियल गाइडलाइंस होती है, बहुत इसेंशियल रूल्स होते हैं विच हैव बीन इस्टेब्लिश्ड बाय अ कंपनी अपने एम्प्लॉयज़ के बिहेवियर को मैनेज करने के लिए और इंश्योर करने के लिए जो वर्क प्लेस है वो स्मूथली रन करे एंड फेयरली रन करे. HR पॉलिसीज़ की इम्पोर्टेंस क्या है? वाई इज़ दिस सो इम्पोर्टेंस इन द कंपनी? So HR policies support trust, fairness and inclusion by outlining the responsibilities of both employer and the employee in the company. वो impact करती है employee के motivation को, organization की reputation को and the ability to attract or retain talent of the employees and also to create mutual benefits for both the employees and the companies. HR स्ट्रेटजीज़ का होना कंपनी में इसलिए भी बहुत इम्पोर्टेंस है दैट एवरी एम्प्लॉय वर्क इन अ प्रॉपर मैनेजमेंट. द मेजर इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ HR पॉलिसी इज दैट इट हेल्प्स द कंपनी मेंबर्स एंड द एम्प्लॉयज़ टू मीट देयर रिक्वायरमेंट्स फॉर द प्रोफेशनल ग्रोथ एंड द प्रॉपर मैनेजमेंट ऑफ द कंपनी. If HR policy has not been followed by any of the member in the company, then there will be arising in the mismanagement even after if your employees is giving their best performances. So it is very important for the company as well as the employee to follow the HR policy for working smoothly in their workplaces. So this is the importance of HR policy in the company. And now we will talk about the types of HR policy. There are very different types of HR policies in the company, like code of conduct policy, recruitment policy, leave policy, harassment policy, workplace etiquettes policy and many more. So let's start the first one, which is code of conduct policy. ये policy ये address करती है the expected ethical behavior of the employees in the company, including their honesty, integrity and professional conduct towards the company. The code of conduct policy is very important in every company. Now let's move to the harassment policy. ये policy ये describe करती है the harassment which is happening in company. So this policy describes the rules against the harassment based on the factors like race, gender, religion, age and also establish the procedures for reporting and addressing the incidents for the same. Now let's talk about the recruitment policy. This policy also defines the process for hiring and selecting the candidates, including the procedures for job postings, interviewing and candidate selection. Now we will talk about the performance management policy. ये policy बहुत important है for the employees motivation also, and this policy also describes the process and criteria for the employees performance evaluation and feedback. Basically this policy addresses the various types of leaves like sick leave, medical leave, planned leave as well as उनके procedures for requesting for the leave and using them. These are some basic policies which I have explained you in this video. So do not forget to subscribe, like, share and comment to Adyan Softech. Thank you.